in health. We'll start the session. So before the session beginning, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, sit straight. No meditation, no mantra, don't concentrate, don't even unclutch, just sit. Whatever happens, let it happen. Close your eyes, that's all. Keep your eyes closed, keep your body straight. Whatever happens, let it happen. See, why I make you sit like this for a few minutes, to get the photograph of your mind. Please open your eyes. Now we can. See, when you sit without doing any practice, I can capture exactly the frequency you are in. Then plan for raising you to the next level. First, few basic truths about the health. We are going to work on your health. Your health is the result of all the beliefs that you have about you and your health. If you constantly believe, I am a weak, you are weak. That's all. If you constantly believe, I am a strong being. See, from the beginning, I had a strong feeling, I am a strong fellow. I tell you, my mental age is only 22. After 22, I have stopped growing. Body may be growing, aging. Of course, there's no signs of aging. Time may pass, but I am growing younger. After 22, that's it. And still, what I believe about me and about my health, that is only becoming reality. What you unconsciously believe as you or your health, that only becomes reality in you. Same way, your muscle memory is programmed with your beliefs. Please understand, every body part is constantly dying and reborn. When it is recreated, it is created as per your new belief. That is why in the inner awakening I am asking you to build muscles so much, because I am infusing so much of new beliefs in you. This will become your muscles. If this becomes your muscles, then these new beliefs will overpower your old beliefs. And along with your old cells, your old beliefs also will die. Yes. The biomemory will be changed only by my initiation. The Kundalini awakening. You can't do anything. You can do up to only muscle memory. No, biomemory you can't do anything. I will be able to do. I am doing my job, don't worry. I do my job. I wanted you to do only whatever you need to do. Biomemory is what is awakening the DNA layers. And let's start working on the engrams. Then I'll give you deeper insights. Come on. Actually, we have done a lot of research on this inner awakening. Before and after. By the awakening of the DNA layers makes you free of even inherited diseases, hereditary diseases. You will not have it even if your family has the cancer history. You will not have even if your family has a heart attack history. And fifth, write down all your current fears and worries you carry inside. Pen down. About this vegetarian, let me speak now itself. It is not as a moral, but as a health instruction I can give you Being vegetarian raises your awareness, consciousness, health to a very high level. If you have any allergy, please understand. If you have any allergy, I can get you out just in one session. Don't worry, don't fear, don't be afraid at all. Please understand, I am very responsible when I handle your health. Any allergy, bring that same item. I'll energize and give you. You will be out of the allergy. Even if you are allergic for the 25 years. I have brought thousands of people out of allergies. If you are allergic to milk or anything, nuts, anything, bring the same item. I'll get you out in one session. And one more thing, I am very responsible. Don't worry, there won't be any trouble, side effect and all. See, first time I went to hospital for myself when I had this fracture. 34th year is my first hospital visit by myself. I myself went to hospital only once when this fracture happened. That's all. Never ever. Other than that.